Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are doing good. So we are going to start with PHP where we have left out. But before we start with PHP, I want you all to learn some basic concepts or basic tools which are used in developing the website. So let's get started. The first thing when it's come to web development is web browsers, because we can't run any website without web browser. अगर आपके पास वेब ब्राउज़र ही नहीं तो आप वेबसाइट बनाओगे, चलाओगे किस में? सो वेब ब्राउजर्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वेब ब्राउजर्स आर नथिंग बट द इंटरप्रेटर्स फॉर द वेब. वो क्या करेगा? whenever you request for any information to web browser, they will show you the information which is in understandable form. अगर आप FB का पेज आपने लॉग इन किया तो they won't show you the code, they will show you the informative part which you can understand. There are 4 kinds of browser which are mainly used, which is Chrome, which is been brought up by Google, Safari, which is brought up by iOS, Apple, Firefox, which is brought up by Mozilla, and Internet Explorer, which is brought up by Microsoft. These are mainly commonly used in web development. These 4 browsers, you are very familiar with it. And the second thing when it's come to web development is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which you already learned in SY. HTML provides a frame to the website like tables and all, but अगर उसको कलरफुल दिखाना है तो CSS, Cascading Style Sheet. Cascading Style Sheets provides you the various colors, fonts, animation, transitions. तो वेबसाइट को अट्रैक्टिव दिखाने के लिए हम लोग को CSS यूज करना है. ओके, नाउ programming language is the very important thing when it's come to web development is programming languages. Programming languages are the ways to communicate to a computer and tell them what to do. Like अपनी लैंग्वेज कैसी है? गुजराती, हिंदी, इंग्लिश. कंप्यूटर की लैंग्वेजेस भी है जावास्क्रिप्ट, कॉफीस्क्रिप्ट, पाइथन, रूबी, PHP, Go, Objective-C, Swift and Java. These all are programming languages which are mainly used in web development, right? Which computer can understand. कंप्यूटर को हम गुजराती में तो नहीं कह सकते कि चल पेलू लिया. ओके, framework is also very important. They create base for any programming languages to run smoothly. For example, if you install Microsoft software or any software, they will ask you for .NET framework, right? To your computer you need a .NET framework. You need to update your .NET framework. Computer shows an dialog box. Okay, so there are many frameworks: Node.js, PhoneGap, Django, Bootstrap, Foundation, WordPress. WordPress is very growing nowadays. It's on the peak, right? .NET, AngularJS. Now another important thing is databases. Databases is where all your website data are stored. Databases are of many types: MongoDB, Redis, MySQL, which we are going to learn in PHP, Oracle, which you already learn, SQL Server. Okay, SQL Server you might be learning in ASP.NET. Now, this is also very important, front end and back end. फ्रंट एंड का मतलब क्या है? जो आपको दिखता है, जो ये स्क्रीन आपको दिख रही है फ्रंट एंड, लेकिन पीछे का आपको नहीं दिख रहा है, वो क्या है? बैक एंड. द सोर्स कोड वो है बैक एंड. द डिजाइंस एंड ऑल दैट आर फ्रंट एंड. इस तरह आप देख सकते हो CSS, ओके, HTML, जावास्क्रिप्ट, दिस ऑल कम्स अंडर फ्रंट एंड. द डिजाइंस, द बटन्स, दैट ऑल कम्स अंडर फ्रंट एंड. लेकिन जो कोड, जो अगली साइड आप बोल सकते हो वेब डेवलपमेंट का, वो है बैक एंड. PHP, Python, WordPress, that are all backend. Here you can see, user can see it's beautiful, but from back it's ugly. So this is front end and this is back end. The coding part is back end. Now lastly, the protocols. Protocols are standardized instruction for how to pass the data between the computers and devices. So there are 3 types: HTTP, DDP and REST. HTTP is used in HTML, CSS, JavaScripts. DDP is used in sockets, web sockets, right? REST is used in GET, POST and PUT, which is mainly between two applications and all, web applications. Okay, so this was very quick session. It was just an informative session. We will start with PHP, or we will recap everything what you have already learned in PHP in next session. So take care.